Durango, Warroad's Magic about to be moving up by Daryl Solar Power. Durango, then comes Love Kuto Karma, moving up by Daryl Solar Power by about 2 lengths. Warroad's Magic in second, and Durango racing in third by Daryl. About to be moving up from the outside is Karma, Love Kuto, Golden Hana, then comes Gray Magic, Sharp Cookie, Stormy Norman, Strong Boy, and Danish Minstrel. Passing the last 700, Solar Power, followed by Karma on the outside, Warroad's Magic, Danori inside, about to be racing by Daryl, and Durango, another 4 turn, Solar Power, Karma, about to be racing by Daryl, Durango, and on the outside rushing up Gray Magic, Golden Hana as they race the final corner. Solar Power, Karma on the outside, about to be moving up by Daryl, Gray Magic in the middle. Solar Power about to be Gray Magic, and on the outside is Durango. Solar Power still the leader, and nearing the finish line, number 1, Solar Power, Gray Magic, about to be Stormy Norman, Durango, and Golden Hana for your Super 6.
Okay, 145 itong ating